We are climbing up to the Wakely Mountain Fire Tower.
It seems, maybe it's not. It's kind of high. And it's not real, I don't know.
It's mostly 2 miles flat going in and then 1 mile up.
One problem, a lot of times the other problems kind of disappear.
Whew. This is beautiful. All right, observatory. So this is the highest fire tower in the Adirondacks.
Oh, really?
I think it's like 90 feet high.
Oh, the tower itself is taller, too.
Yes, not the elevation of it.
Oh.
All right. Little Adirondack flavor. Almost to the top. It's pretty up here. Yeah. So peaceful.
Is there a false peak?
I don't know.
We're going down again.
Little muddy.
A little muddy. A little shoe ground.
All right. Picnic table in the sun.
Wow. You're right. It's a tall tower.
Yeah.
There's like two or three extra.
Yeah. Oh, got a little iciness.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, is it all the ones that face that way?
Yeah, it's all these. Yeah, everything that's not in the sun. Yeah. Whoa, that one's really slick. Ooh, yeah. Little breezy.
You already.
Yeah. Gloves might have been good.
What's that?
Gloves might have been good.
I got gloves.
Oh, these metal rails are cold.
Oh, I figured that out. Sorry.
Did not think of that. Seems
Some at all?
seems obvious now. Yeah, I have them in my pack.
Oh,
It's obvious now. Whew. Oh, that was wet. Cold, wet drop. All right. Windy. Also wish I had a jacket. How many more of these things we got? Oh. Woo! Oh yeah. that is over there. Structure.
Awful. Could have been
Ooh, that's tight. Ooh.
I saw that. There's a trail going up to it.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Stunning. All right.
It used to have glass. These handles are pretty.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Just steep enough, you don't know whether to go up, down, backwards, or forward.
I agree. Woo!
You're a little steeper if you ladder.
It's a little chilly breeze. Whoop. Oh, yeah. I'm good. All right. A little more hot chocolate.